Bay door confirmed secure.
Beginning transfer sequence for Lot 7.
Acknowledged.
Check the microbial count on line 3.
Reading steady at 0.01.
The humidity levels in chamber 3 are slightly elevated. Yes, but the embryo heart rates remain stable. The system is compensating.
Look at this cluster, they're starting to pip.
We are ready for them.
Chicks grow rapidly into young chickens under controlled feeding cycles and light management systems. Time-lapse shows fast physical development.
This curry is wonderful, just like how your mother used to make it. I am so glad you like it, Amma.
This chicken is absolutely perfect.
You really outdid yourself, honey.
Seriously, the best.
System is fully connected. Production, transport, and consumption align perfectly. The industrial food system is revealed.
Rerouting the Southeast Asia shipment now. Ensure the processing data aligns with the 99.8% optimization projections.
Here is the fried chicken you love, Abuela. Oh, it looks delicious, mijo. This is the best chicken I've ever made.
Oh my God, you have to try this piece. So crispy.
Thank you, Habibi. It looks wonderful.
Everything synchronized on this line. See you later. All right, I'll take it from here.